Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to show or hide icons, folders or files on a Windows 10 desktop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. On my desktop, I have some shortcut, some icons, some files, some folders, and I want to hide that all first. That is very easy. First, select the folders or files that you want to hide. Go to your keyboard and press Ctrl key and select the folders. By dragging your mouse key, you can also select the folders. Select your folders. After that, go to the right click on the any folder or any file. Click on the properties. In properties, here we find attributes. Here we find hidden. Click on the hidden. Click on the apply. Click on first option or second. I prefer to choose a second option. Click on OK. Click on continue. Click on OK. Now all files that you selected and click on the hidden, all are hide on your Windows 10 desktop. Now we want to unhide that file. That is very easy. First, we go to the any folder or anywhere that you want. I go to this PC. You can go to the anywhere. Here we find many options. Go to the view. Here we find view. Click on the view. In view, here we find hidden items. Select that hidden items. Check this. After the check it, we can find some blurry icons are showing on our PC or laptop. These are all icons that are hidden by us. We can unhide. We want to unhide that icons or that files or anything that you hidden. That is very easy and simple. Select the files that you want to unhide. Select the all files that you want to unhide or show, and right click on that file. Click on the properties once again. Here we find hidden attributes is hidden. Uncheck it. Click on the apply. Click on first option or second. Click on OK. Click on continue. Click on OK, and all files are previously hidden are now showing on your Windows 10 desktop. So guys, this is the simplest way to show or hide any file, folder, icons, files on Windows 10 desktop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.